What they're doing, bro, but they're caging this guy out like an animal or something. Bro, how are they gonna be treating this terrorist like this, you know, giving him respect?
Where's the guy? Don't worry, brother. Don't worry. Please, brothers, let police do